Imagine sitting down in front of your 75-inch OLED, grabbing your remote, and realizing that the device plugged into your HDMI port is no longer just a streaming box. It's a gaming console. It's an AI brain. It's the center of a home that finally actually feels smart. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the undisputed king of premium streaming, but it's also been, well, a bit stagnant. We've been using the same internal architecture for what feels like an eternity in tech years. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence from Cupertino is about to be broken by a roar. There is a monster hiding in Apple's supply chain. A device that has been delayed, refined, and supercharged to do things no Roku, Fire Stick, or Shield TV could ever dream of. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about the Apple TV 4K 2026. And if you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are in for a massive reality check. In this video, we are uncovering the leaked internal specs that reveal a chip powerful enough to play AAA console games, the secret reason why Apple waited until now to launch it, and the N1 breakthrough that is going to change your home Wi-Fi forever. If you own an Apple TV, or are thinking about buying one, stop everything. You need to hear this before you spend another dollar. Let's start with the heart of the machine. For the last few years, the Apple TV has been coasting on the A15 Bionic. It's a great chip, sure. But in 2026, it's hitting a wall.
Why?
Because of two words, Apple Intelligence. Leaked reports and supply chain signals from Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman have all pointed to one massive upgrade, the A17 Pro. Yes, the 3-nanometer powerhouse that debuted in the iPhone 15 Pro. But why put a chip that powerful in a box that just plays Netflix? The answer is 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is the magic number. Apple has realized that to run local, privacy-focused AI, what they call Apple Intelligence, the hardware needs a specific threshold of memory. The current 4 gigabytes models simply can't handle it. This means the 2026 Apple TV isn't just about smoother menus, it's about a Siri that actually works. Imagine a Siri that doesn't just say, "I found some web results for that." Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, find that scene in the 3rd episode of Ted Lasso where they're in the locker room and play it on the living room TV," and it just happens. That requires massive on-device processing power. That requires the A17 Pro. But the chip upgrade isn't just for AI. It's for the gamers. Apple has been quietly building a gaming ecosystem, and the 2026 Apple TV is the Trojan horse. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, this box is moving into PlayStation and Xbox territory. We are talking about console-quality graphics on a device that fits in the palm of your hand. For the US market, where gaming is a multi-billion-dollar pastime, this is the move that turns the Apple TV from a luxury streamer into a must-have family entertainment hub. Now, let's talk about the ghost in the machine. The N1 chip. Most people don't look at the Wi-Fi specs when they buy a TV box. That's a mistake. The 2026 model is rumored to feature Apple's first custom-designed networking silicon. We're talking about Wi-Fi 7. Why does this matter? If you live in a crowded American suburb or a city apartment,